Hello there, this is Patricia from Pinky's World. Today I'm making this cute little unicorn package. It's a present from my daughter for her birthday. I know she's not a little girl, she's in her 20s, but she loves unicorn, and this is actually a lip balm, which is not suitable for children really anyway. So it is really cute wee lip balm, and I want to package it up because it just comes like this. They were just all laying loose when I bought them. I think it was B&M or Home Bargains, one of those places. And I wanted to decorate it up, and this is what I've come up with. So I'll show you how I did it. You're going to need a piece of card first for your base, and it needs to measure 3.5 by 3.5 inch square, and we're going to do some scoring on it. So just score it at 1 inch on all 4 sides. So just score and turn, score, turn. And then we'll prepare the box first. So I'm just doing a really simple quick cut from the outer edge and take these ones away and chop this one to the quarter. So you're just left the wee triangle for the flap. So just do that on 4 sides, and that'll make a cute wee box with little to no hassle. So just out from the corner in, give yourself a wee triangle. Whoops, I nearly cut the wrong way. This is called a Melon Mambo. Beautiful card, love this colour. And again, cut that one wrong, but it'll hardly make any difference, sure it won't. Just make sure you do the next one right. Take your eye off the ball for a second, huh? But so long as you're leaving one of the triangles, don't worry too much about it. So you should be left with 4 triangles. Get this rubbish out of the way. And we'll just fill our creases now. Use your bone folder if you like. And we're going to decorate it now when it's on the flat. And the decoration is really simple. It's just the front and back pieces need a wee bit of decoration so that it looks nice. You're not going to see the side ones obviously because they're stuck in. So this is Garden Impressions, and it's a cute wee paper, and I thought it matched the wee unicorn perfectly. So whatever you're doing with yours, and I've seen wee owls there, maybe some people would like the wee owls, which was really cute. So just match your paper. So it's worth holding on to your scraps, isn't it, to use them up in wee projects like this instead of tossing them in the bin all the time. So these wee pieces are 1 3/8 by 3/4 of an inch, and I'm going to do this with a tape runner just because I really don't want to get messed up, which I probably will do anyway. Just put a bit of tape on the 4 corners, the 4 wee flaps, and try and not get it on your table. So just line those up. And that's your wee box, and your unicorn should sit in there nicely. So when I need to make him a wee cover which is going to hold him in like this. So if you get your tag topper punch, slide both ends in one at a time obviously, and punch them out. And that gives you a wee holder for the ribbon. And then we'll need to do a wee bit of scoring. So I'm going to score both sides at 3/4 of an inch for the top piece. I'm just spinning it around so that I get it properly. And then from there we're going to score it at 3 1/4 and 4 3/4. So that gives you your wee centre bit for your box. So we'll fold these ones in the ways, and then these ones are folding out. So we're going to glue this on just to keep it all nice and secure. No, first we'll want to put, first we'll want to put, my mind's on something else at the minute and I shouldn't be 2 steps ahead as usual. Right, we're going to put a bit of double-sided tape along here to hold our ribbon. So sort of centered, the center of your card, and feed it along there. Doesn't need to be right up like I've put it. You actually could go down a wee bit because the ribbon's going to tug up anyway when it's getting tied. And the about 20 inches of ribbon is long enough. I'm using this lovely powder pink, which I think matches in nicely. So get the center of your ribbon and just start at the center and feed that from there. Right. So just put it along as straight as you can put it, preferably. And then we're going to feed it through both ends so it goes like this. Just pop it in there. And now we're going to glue our wee box so it sits in there nice and neat. I'm just going to put glue on the base. Oh, don't empty on me now. I'm using the wrong one. This was wrong. That one's nearly done. And this one's not plain. So, make sure you've got your decorative paper showing at both sides there. So just line it up so that you're happy with how it looks. Give it a good press. Now, I also want these glued because I like a nice secure look. I don't like it all bent out. So put glue on both sides. And just pull your wee box up. Good firm press just to make sure it's all holding nicely. So now we're left with that. We can pop our wee unicorn in, and these should fold like this and hold her secure, or him secure, whichever. So now tie your bow. And when you're pulling it, just make sure that you're pulling it so you're getting good even tension on both of these, that they're both pulling in nicely and meeting in the center there. And then just tie your wee bow. Now, you just need to give it a wee trim. And that's, you could fiddle around with your bow longer than me. Kind of went a bit berserk there. So now we'll want to just put a wee sentiment on the front rather than just leaving it bare. So I have got the classic label punch, which helps keep everything straight and saves you a load of time. So get yourself a piece of Whisper white card, pop it in there and punch it out. Hold on to your punch because you're going to need it again. And I'm using tabs for everything this wee set. I haven't had it out for ages, and it has lovely wee single words that are great for wee parcels like this. So I'm just going with, what am I going with? Smile. Yeah, because it was lip balm, I thought smile would kind of tie in. So get your wee thing. I'm using lovely lipstick. I haven't actually got Melon Mambo, so if you have it, use it. Just stamp that in the middle Doesn't have to be perfectly middle because we're going to cut it down a wee bit now. So make sure it's dry and then pop it into there again and bring it right across so that it covers your A from the smile at this side. Line it up so it's nicely lined up and pop, and that gives you a nice wee edge which you can pull away. Now turn it around and do the same. Slide it in, cover the S this time. That sort of keeps you that you're lined up both sides. Any wee slips like that, just take it off, and that gives you a nice wee smile for your thing, which we're going to put on with some dimensionals. So pop them on the back. And I also have some wee enamel shapes here. I think I got these in the clearance rack. Do check the clearance rack. You pick up some brilliant things, and at the minute it has just been restocked with enormous amounts of stuff because the new catalogue will be coming soon. So please, if you're looking at anything, get over there now, because you'll regret it. You will, because I picked up loads of stuff the last time and I'm still using it. It's great. And why not get a bargain when you can? So I'm going to pop this on the front, and there you have it, smile. So I think it's really cute and really quick, and I will have all the correct measurements for you on my blog and links to everything. But in the meantime, if you fancy spending some money, get over there now. The link to my shop should be below. By the time you're seeing this, the stock should be well down, so I'm hoping you've seen it from somebody else before this. Either way, thanks for dropping by. I'll be back again hopefully next Tuesday with something cute, sweet or indifferent. You never know. Thanks for watching. Bye.